Welcome back to Daily RV Life. In today's video, we're going to share some invaluable tips on how to winterize your RV. Snowflake. As the temperatures drop and the snow starts to fall, it's crucial to prepare your RV for the winter season. By following these steps, you can safeguard your investment and prevent costly damage. First things first, make sure to drain all the water systems in your RV. This includes the fresh water tank, water lines, and hot water heater. Properly emptying these systems will prevent freezing and potential cracks. Next, don't forget to add RV antifreeze to your plumbing system. This ensures that any remaining water won't freeze and cause damage. Remember, it's essential to use the appropriate type of antifreeze specifically designed for RVs. Moving on, protect your RV's exterior by thoroughly cleaning and covering it. This step will shield your vehicle from the harsh elements, including snow, ice, and harmful UV rays. Additionally, investing in a quality RV cover will help prevent any potential leaks and keep your RV in pristine condition throughout the winter. Lastly, make sure to remove all perishable items from your RV before storing it. This includes food, toiletries, and anything that could attract pests. Keeping your RV clean and free from any potential critters will make your springtime adventures much more enjoyable. That's it for today's video on winterizing your RV. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they will assist you in protecting your home away from home during the colder months. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Daily RV Life for more useful videos like this. Stay warm and safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one. Fire.